Hello everyone! So today I'm going to show you how I do my makeup at work using the Amaterasu Intro Makeup Kit. Alright, so I just got to work, so I want to get rid of that extra sweat and shine I have on my face because it was really hot outside on my commute. So I'm starting with the geisha blotting paper and I'm just using it to dab away that extra shine and grease without ruining my base layer of cream and sunscreen. So I'm just going in and freshening up here. All right, so next I'm going in with the Amaterasu Brow and Eye Pen, and it's in the shade Ash, just to fill in those little sparse areas you see at the end of my brows there. And this is a great pen for creating that very natural, yet still beautiful day makeup look for your brows. So as you can see, I'm going through my brow with very gentle, short, and light pressured strokes. This can ensure that you won't be depositing too much product and can build up the formula to the opacity that you want your brows to be. So I'm starting off my main eye look with the 24-hour eye pencil in the shade Nutmeg. So I just warmed up the pencil on my hand by drawing a few strokes on the back of it, which you might need to do in the colder months just to warm up that product and get it ready to go. And I'm starting to line my eyes using small strokes above my upper lash line there until I achieve my desired look. So I want it a bit more pigmented today. And what I absolutely love about this shade Nutmeg for work is that it's a soft neutral brown that provides an instant pick-me-up, and it's best for those who want a soft alternative to black. And now I'm adding a little touch of highlight with the shimmer eye pencil. Adding a little bit of highlight to the inner corners of your eyes is a perfect pick-me-up for any makeup look. It instantly enhances and illuminates my features with very minimal effort. I also like to add this highlighter to the other parts of my face. So I often add it to the bridge of my nose, the tip as well, and then also to the top of my cupid's bow to create a fuller look. To wrap up my work makeup look, I'm going in with my all-time favorite mascara, the Ultra Volume Mascara. I love this one because with just a few coats, I can add so much volume and length to my lashes that absolutely transforms my eyes. My trick for applying mascara to get that full look is always going from the base of the lashes to the very tip, working all the way through the entire lash. Once I'm done putting on a couple of coats, I like to make sure that all of my lashes have mascara, so I'll also work on the individual lashes to make sure they're fully coated. I love this formula because it's so buildable, clump-free, and waterproof, so I never have to worry about it smudging throughout my workday. And there's my completed look using the Amaterasu